You spend hours studying, then walk into the exam, and suddenly your mind goes completely blank. You know you studied. You remember reading every page. So, where did all that information go? Did your brain delete it? Or were you studying the wrong way all along? Today you'll discover the real reason your brain forgets information, and more importantly, how to stop it. Welcome to Mind Mechanics. Part 1. Your brain was never designed to remember everything. Here's something most students don't know. Your brain isn't trying to remember everything. It's trying to forget almost everything. Imagine if your brain remembered every face you've ever seen, every number plate, every conversation, every advertisement. It would become overloaded, so your brain has a filter. Every day, it asks one question. Is this information important enough to keep? If the answer is no, it throws it away. Part 2. Passive learning tricks. Your brain. Here's the mistake. Most students read, highlight, read again, highlight again. It feels productive, but your brain isn't doing much work. And if your brain doesn't work, it doesn't learn. Learning happens when your brain struggles to remember, not while you're looking at the answer. Part 3. Retrieval is the secret. Instead of reading the page again, close the book. Ask yourself, what can I remember? Even if you only remember 2 ideas, that's better than reading 10 pages again. Because every time you retrieve information, your brain strengthens that memory. Think of it like lifting weights. The struggle builds strength. Part 4. Sleep is your brain's save button. Here's something amazing. Your brain doesn't permanently store information. While you're studying, it stores it while you sleep. During sleep, your brain organizes memories, deletes unnecessary information, and strengthens important connections. That's why all-night studying usually makes your memory worse, not better. Part 5. The 3-step memory system. Here's your new study system. Step 1. Study for 25 focused minutes. Step 2. Close everything. Recall everything you can remember. Step 3. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Repeat. Your memory will become stronger every single day. Final lesson. The biggest mistake students make is believing memory happens while reading. It doesn't. Memory is built when you recall, repeat, and recover. Your brain isn't broken. It simply learns differently than you think. If you want to learn faster, remember more, and understand how your brain really works, subscribe to Mind Mechanics. Understand your mind, change your life.